All right, team, it's 8:38 a.m. and I am done trading for the day. I actually finished trading about 15 minutes ago. Time to go live and show you guys what led to my success in only 1 hour of trading. All right, so we're here in my trading area, and what led to my success today was actually trading natural gas. If you guys don't know what that is, a natural gas report comes out every single Thursday if it's on normal schedule, and it's 1 hour after the market opens. So I didn't actually take my first trade till 1 hour after the market opens. So the market opens here at 6:30 a.m. due to daylight savings now. So it's 8:38. So I only traded today for 1 hour. And again, I want to show you my overall P&L on the day, which is, my profits. And you guys can see that right there, $528.07. 372 of that was made on ugaz, and that was only because of the natural gas report. And then 155 of that was made because of dgaz. And I'll show you guys exactly what I did. So I play this, and I've talked about this multiple times, and exactly how it is that I do it. So you guys can see right here, again, this is /NG. For those that are not familiar with what that is, I don't know which direction natural gas is going to be pushing up, which, if it's gonna pull back, I don't know which way the report's gonna go. All I know is that one is going to sell off. And what I normally try to do, my perfect natural gas report is how it played out today. Natural gas, right? As soon as it hit 4 a.m., was beginning to show signs of an uptrend pattern. It was downtrending, as you guys can see on the left-hand side, but then it began to uptrend. It began to make higher highs and overall validate the SMA line as a support until, look at this, 7:30. 1 hour after the market opens, the natural gas report comes out, and guess what? Natural gas sells off. So why is it that I would want to have something that's trending up pull back? Why would that make sense? Well, the natural gas report, and again, I've played it multiple times, and this is how I personally trade it. The natural gas report pulls back, and it's relevant news for a short period of time, especially based off how I've traded before, especially when something is actively trending up. If this thing was downtrending and then it sells off aggressively, yeah, the potential for it to recover is a little bit less, but it normally still does based on my experience. And again, you guys could ask other people who trade in natural gas if you know anybody that does. So it was showing signs of an uptrend. I like the direction of natural gas. So I wanted natural gas to pull back because it made sense on why it could recover. It pulled back, I bought the dip, it began to consolidate, I bought more, it showed signs of an uptrend, I bought more, and then it began to push up. Locked in profit. So again, I didn't actually trade /NG. I traded ticker symbol ugaz. And it does exactly the same thing that /NG does, right? It sold off, consolidates, begins to show signs of an uptrend, and then I lock in profits. It pushed up a little bit higher than I expected. Again, my ideal sell price was around 35.60 because it made sense to me based off of previous patterns, but it pushed up to highs of like 35.80. And again, I don't know exactly how high it's going to go. All I know is that based off of my experience, and there's always this form of risk, right? So just because you buy the dip on natural gas does not mean that it has to begin to uptrend. And that's what I want you guys to know. So although it did pull back and began to consolidate, I like that it didn't actually continue to make lower lows. That was in my favor. The MACD was in my favor. Everything, the RSI, the overall pattern, the overall direction was in my favor, making it that much easier for me to make $372, right, and 94 cents in a matter of minutes. And it was a super efficient trade, locked in profits. It pushed up, and then guess what? Ugaz, right? So natural gas then became overbought. So then guess what I do? I buy the dip on dgaz, and then dgaz begins to show signs of an uptrend, and then it becomes overextended, and then I locked in profits in, and then this is where I took my last trade. So it was actually, I want to say, less than an hour of trading, and I was able to make, my glorified daily goal, right? The $528 profit. And this is pretty much where I want to end the video. I wanted to explain what led to my success and all that good stuff. You guys might be asking why I'm wearing this. I'm actually done trading for the day. I don't feel good. I have an eye infection now. I have strep throat, if I'm not mistaken, and I just need to go to the doctors. I've been sick for the past 3 weeks, if you guys follow up with my videos, and that's been one of my biggest issues, has been my health. I trade literally all day, or at least for a couple hours, and I've been so blessed, at least today, where I can hit my daily goal in less than an hour, and I already exceeded my weekly goal, right? If you guys didn't see my video yesterday, during the time that I made that video, I was up like $727. If you guys stay up to date with my YouTube channel or my Instagram, I made $989 at the end of the day. The day before that, I made $1,050, and the day before that, I made $1,300. I keep you guys up to date. I show my overall P&L. I show all my positions are closed and stuff like that at the end of the day. And with today at $528, it puts me well over $3,500 profit in just 4 days of trading. But just imagine this, I'm also trading with a much larger dollar amount. I'm over the PDT rule, so forget about that. But just imagine this, my day today with less than 1 hour of trading, I was able to make over $500 of profit because I know how to trade the natural gas report. 1 day, right? So just imagine you day trading 1 day out of the week for just a couple hours, right? 1 hour is the ideal thing, but let's say even 3 hours. 1 day times 4, right, within a month, over $2,000 profit that you have the potential to make if you understand how to trade this. And that's the goal, right? To be efficient with your time so you can spend the rest of your time doing what it is that you love. Spending time with your family, spending time with your friends, maybe starting your own business, whatever it is, or even having a normal job, going to school, learning something new. Regardless of what your passion is, the whole point of trading, right, is to have the, in a sense, like flexibility to do whatever it is that you want. Just wanted to share that with you guys and plant that seed that it's not about day trading every single day. You could be extremely selective. Just understand what you want to trade and make sure that it's worthwhile. Make sure that it's worth your time and that it's worth your money as well. So thank you guys again so much for your time. I hope you guys can continue working hard, continue following dreams, let your passion be what drives your success. I want to give a huge shout out to my old man for his birthday today. Thank you again for absolutely everything that you do. Hope you have an amazing day. I hope I earned your thumbs up in this video. If you guys want to be able to watch me trade live every single day, again, the only option is the first link in the description. It's the Learn Plan Profit Group. You work with me on a closer basis. They got to watch me trade live today during the natural gas report. And we just have an amazing and fun time. And if you like my videos, then you'll like the Learn Plan Profit course and community. If you don't like my videos, then you probably won't like the Learn Plan Profit course. That's simple. Again, there's no secret strategies. There's no like stock alerts, something like that. I just work with you on a closer basis, and you see what I do every single day to help you become a self-sufficient trader, as that should be the goal. Thank you guys again for your time. Like always, let's make sure that we end the year on a green note. Take it easy, team.